Hi everyone, it's Tammy. I can't believe that we are already done with 8 weeks of this course. It just really flew by. I was very anxious with the course, the statistics. It's something that I struggle with, and thanks to all of you guys and your responses, I was able to learn so much and figure out how to do some of the statistical analysis just by what I learned from you guys and what I did research on my own and from the course material. And as Angela noted, how to use the formulas on Excel. I even purchased a book, Excel for Dummies, so that I could have a little bit of additional resource on that, and it was very helpful. Um, but as far as how I can apply it in my role as nurse manager, there are so many ways. And fortunately, we just recently hired a PRN nurse researcher as we are working on our magnet status in my organization. So I'm very excited about that because she'll be a great resource and reference for me and can help me with some of the processes. But I feel like now I have a better understanding of the analysis part instead of just taking a particular study, just at its face value. I know to dig a little bit deeper and to do a little bit more analysis over it, maybe even get different a variety of studies instead of just taking one particular study and going with that. So um, I look forward to using it. I look forward to involving my staff in some research for evidence-based practice. So I'm excited about the new tools I've learned from this class and ready to get started using it in practice. So good luck to the rest of you with the rest of your courses, and I hope you all have a happy holiday.